What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Leslie. Family-friendly YouTuber Bazerk with his gremlin face. I looked up what this was. My God, what's happening? It's funny though. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause. We'll go to fast. Let's go. So he's like crazy big eyes, wide eyes. So we'll go diagonal, up and down. Okay, and then the bottom eyelid line. Like that, bit of a tear duct line in there. And then we just add some eyelashes to the top. He does have pretty long eyelashes. And some on the bottom as well. And then, so crazy eyes, circle coming up from the bottom. Pupil in the middle. Right, so then like his basically like his eyebrow touches nearly like his tear duct kind of area, comes past it, right? It's like real arched. Like I don't know how he does this with his face. And then we get like, there's like some wrinkles of his skin just like here. Just crazy eyes. Bags under his eyes there as well. And then we go over and do the other eye. You're about eye width over, so the width of his eye will bring you to the other tear duct area, and then we go over again. Big wide crazy eyes. Bottom eyelid. Circle for the iris. Pupil in the middle. Like so. Right, then we got, again, kind of like eyelid lines and stuff coming around the top, wrinkles and all stuff like this around his nose and all. Bottom eyelashes. And then a big eyebrow that like nearly touches his eye. So it's highly arched up. And then his nose line kind of in there. And he's got these lines down the side of his face here as well. Looks like Joker. His nose then bumps around like so. Can't see nostrils, you can just see kind of like the bumpy part. just kind of the skin of his nose. And then cheeks pulled out real wide, coming around his mouth. Again, like the Joker. Oh my God, he's the Joker. And then he's like doing this weird thing with his teeth. It's so creepy because it's like, it's a happy face, but it's also like a crazy looking happy. Right, so then his mouth is like real wide, right? So his like top lip is pulled like that, and then the bottom lip is open real wide as well. There's all skin and gums and teeth and stuff, so there's a bit of detail in here. Right, so like his bottom lip. Kind of fades that way. So the skin and stuff here. Kind of see like skin being all pulled, but that's all like his lips and stuff. Right, so you can see like nearly all of his top gum and then teeth. So I guess the gum line first. So like just this. Make sure there's like a spike in the middle because that's where your teeth meet. Your teeth are symmetrical pretty much, well, normally. And then these like bump then. Ooh. Did I miss one? That should be like sharp one there, I think. Yeah. Yeah, so like two teeth there. Yeah, it's like that one on that side. Right, and then his like gum line. So you can kind of see his gum line here. Where would it start? Kind of back there. And then we get some teeth coming out here. But then this is his gum line at the front. It's just all teeth then back there. I'm going to put a shadow here. You can see it is kind of red in there, so you can color it like real dark red in between his teeth, or you could go black. So it's kind of up to you. I don't know what to do. Maybe, yeah, I might do a red instead of black. So mouth all being pulled. Right, and then we get big pointy chin. Well, it's not that pointy, but it's long, whatever way he has his face pulled, and then it goes up this way. His cheeks are being pushed in by the headphones as well. So we get sort of like a headphone flatness. headphones here, but hair comes over headphones also. So we get like some sideburns and then hair spikes kind of just like sticking out here. And then it starts to go around for his hair that way. Kind of the same on this side, maybe. It's just like his hair kind of starts to go across his forehead as well. So he's like a combed hair. So it's like, there's all like hair spikes basically for his fringe. A couple of them come down onto his head here. And then his hairline, I think, just comes back down that way. Right, then his hair is pretty much like combed over his head here. Or just kind of flattened maybe. And then he's got like kind of wrinkles on his brow there. Oh, what a crazy face. So his headphones, kind of general sort of big black headphones. It's got the cushions on the side and then like a clip or like a connection sort of part here. And then his neck. Small, yeah, smallish neck. And like his t-shirt sort of here. And then, oh, there's a cable. You could probably leave that out if you didn't want to be. But I'm a stickler for the detail. Shoulder just goes off there. T-shirt around. Boom. That's it really. Bazerk from Family Friendly Gremlin Face. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.